Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to set up a Meta business account. So once you have your Facebook business page created, just go to Manage Page and underneath More Tools, select Meta Business Suite. And so now we're in the Meta Business Suite, and what we want to do is just scroll down to where it says Explore more ways to grow, unlock more features with a Meta business account. So now we'll be able to start creating ads and campaigns and be able to set up our Meta pixel or Facebook pixel. And so from here, we just create a business account and start entering our information. So once we're done entering our information, we just click create. And now it's asking us, what do you want to claim into this business account? Claim your Facebook pages and Instagram accounts as assets you can manage in this page. And so we want to click on our page that we just created, click next. And now it has certain people who are added to the business account and making them, you can either make them like an admin, an employee, stuff like that. And so right now we won't enter anybody. And so the next step is just review and confirm your business accounts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.